Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to post tweet to community automatically just by some clicks. So now let's get to the point. Okay, so look at the main screen right now. We choose the viral marketing and we go to the post tweet to community. The community posting configuration, we will set up it. The number of concurrent threads will be 10. Switch account if repeated arrow. Switch community if post arrow. Maximum posts per account based on you. Maximum posts per community. 2 post interval. And you can choose the community type. For example, you join the community or specific communities. For example, if it is specific community, you have to enter the link, okay? Each link, each line, okay? So in this video, I will choose the join community and do not post duplicate community as well as auto join community that not yet joined. And we select the post. Okay, I'm gonna choose the tweet and we load here, and it is all the posts I want to upload. We save. Then we post randomly, or you can post by order. Okay, you can also add the image upload timeout. Also post interaction after posting. When the post being uploaded, you can like and even post a comment, and you enter the comment here by imported file, or you can use the AI to generate the comment. And you have to add a configuration. The limit word from 50 words. Okay, about the tone will be humorous, okay, casual, interesting, professional. Okay, save. It's easy, right? And add hashtag when commenting, and even touch your friends here. Next, about the list of accounts, you choose all the accounts what you want to post to community. I will choose the first 10, okay, and press start. Wait just a few seconds. It's easy, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quang MKT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.